Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in a Jeep Patriot. First, gather all your supplies, including 4.5 to 5 quarts of new 5W20 or 5W30 engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, and a wrench. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and wearing protective gear. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using a wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the dark, used oil to flow completely into the pan. Once the flow stops, clean the area and securely reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it is tightened to specification. Next, we will replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which is typically a canister-style filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand-tighten the new filter until it is snug, followed by an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Locate the oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine. Carefully pour in approximately 4.5 to 5 quarts of the recommended 5W20 or 5W30 oil. Replace the cap, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.